we're gonna do a couple stretches here. We need to make sure that you have some stable surfaces to work with. So as if this was a chair or something sturdy that you could put your foot up on that's not gonna slide away from you, whatever that is for you. We're using a Cadillac. You might want to have something that's, low enough for you to get your foot up onto comfortably, and maybe something that you can hang onto like the back of the chair or something else so you're stable. We have this foot now up. I'm just using the arch of my foot on my Cadillac here, and we're gonna go into a hip flexor and a thigh stretch. Your hip flexors are a big muscle that attach all inside of your spine. And when they're tight, because we sit a lot, when those muscles get tight, it can really impact your low back happiness. So we're stretching forward with our hips, just pushing my hips forward towards your chair, and just breathe and hold. Again, don't rush it. Enjoy it. We have nothing else to do. It's March 2020, and we're all in self-quarantine anyways. Stretch back if you are able and willing to go into a hamstring stretch. We did one earlier, but you can never have too many of those. And we will, of course, switch it up. Pop your foot up there, push your hips forward, relax your shoulders. Let's hang out. Breathe. Pushing your hip forward, staying tall. And then pull back for a hamstring stretch. Again, about 30 seconds per stretch is going to take enough time to let the muscle unlock for you. Don't force your knees straight. Don't bounce. Just hang out and breathe. Okay, so another thing that I love to do for low backs is traction. Anytime you can get traction. If you can grab onto a stable object, I don't think your chair is going to do it, but a stable object where you feel like you could really hang from it and stretch your spine. Maybe it would be your sink, whether it's bathroom or the kitchen, something really strong like that that's going to support your weight. Wherever your hands need to be, it doesn't really change it that much. It might be a little more intense if you vary that, and then you want to just really hang into it and let your chest push forward and your tail push backward. Here's what it would look like if you don't do that. This rounded shape is not going to give you the traction I'm talking about. You need to unfurl and just let the laundry sort of hang and relax here. This is so good for your back. Okay, last but not least, if you have a doorway, and I know you do, we're going to stretch our chest. We're going to pop our hands inside the door jamb, step forward, make sure you're not going to slip and slide. Maybe you have your shoes on or barefoot so you're nice and secure, and just stretch into it. You want to think about your hands reaching down and your chest pushing up and out. Just breathe here, hang out. And you have done yourself a service. You have moved, you have taken care of your back, and I hope I see you again soon.